My plans now that I've graduated, I'm fortunate enough to have almost sort of immediately found a job in the field that I was studying. I plan to take advantage of as many of the development opportunities that I can and really sort of grow out into the cyber role that MIT's prepared me for. As part of my capstone project, I actually did a placement with the Victorian government. We had regular sort of tie-ins with my boss for the government and then with MIT as well to sort of ensure that both the client and the university were sort of happy with my progress. From there, I was actually able to use that experience on my resume and find further employment within the realm that I was studying. MIT has set me up really well for life after university. They were there in my corner every step of the way.